natin ng ating special guest. So we're so happy to see you, sir. And it's his first time to visit here. Of course, our governor in a few days. We call them na pag may ganun kami, dalawang commander sir, merong commander, then merong commander actual and commander incoming. Ayan. So Honorable Datu Tukaw o Mastura, palakpakan po natin ating special guest coming here. It's not his first time, but this is a nostalgic visit for Governor Mastura. Then we have here, of course, our counterpart in the Moro Islamic Liberation Front Joint Task Force on Camp Transformation on short notice. Kaya maraming salamat sir, even on short notice pumunta ka dito, napakalakas talaga namin. Our camp coordinator for Camp Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, Mr. Alex Sulay. Palakpakan po natin. He's on green together with his team on short notice sir. Maraming salamat for coming over. And of course, the expert who will put this up, the engineer. The engineer, sabi ko, tama-tama, we have a mock-up that serves as our inspiration. Then we have the actual technical guy who will put it all together and make sense for all of us. Engineer Muhammad D. Sampulna. Palakpakan po natin si engineer. He's the provincial engineer of Maguindanao del Norte. So gusto ko lang pakilala yung ating chief of staff, part of my team, Colonel Edward C. Olaso, 1st Marine Brigade. Siyempre, yung pinakasikat dito sa area na to, the Battalion Commander of MBLT-2, Lieutenant Colonel John De La Cruz. Please stand. Our Operations Officer is also here, Lieutenant Colonel Ian Villesa. Pakilala ka, Ian. Okay, he's the one who coordinated all of this together with the rest of the staff. And our acting Sergeant Major, Master Sergeant Roderick B. Simbulan of Sergeant Major MBLT-2. Kasama ni Colonel De La Cruz. Sir, gusto kong batiin yung mga teachers and faculty of Camp Abu Bakar Elementary School. Nasa likod po. Kasama yung mga bulilit na cute. Nahawak nila yung Philippine flag tsaka yung flag ng BARM. Okay? Very symbolic. At di ko patatagalin tong speech ko kasi lumulubog yung nag-groundbreaking na kami pag-upo namin ni Governor eh. Nag-groundbreak na. But all of today is very historic. It's meaningful. You see, what counts is the genuine relationship that we share. Because yun lang po yung kailangan natin for genuine peace. For genuine lasting peace, it's always genuine relations. Doon po nagsisimula. Ideas like this, napag-usapan lang namin ni Governor nung bumisita ako sa kanila. I did not have any difficulty. Nung sinabi kong kapayapaan at kaunlaran, approve kagad. Palakpakan natin si Governor. It only shows kung ano yung malasakit niya para sa Bangsamoro. And that's why, pwede ko sabihin siguro na ito yung pinaka-most meaningful project na gagawin niya at the heart of Camp Abu Bakar As-Siddiq, now called Camp Iranon. The river beside us is called Ambal River. For me, it's the most beautiful river that I've ever seen in my life. It has never run out of water. Hindi yan nawawalan ng tubig. Tsaka yung tubig na sineserve namin, galing dyan. Walang filter-filter. Malinis yan. Pakita mo, yan, oh. Malinis yan. It's as pure as our intent in putting up this facility. It's as pure as the conversations, the consultations, the respect that goes with it kapag natayo na po natin ito. This is neutral ground for all the stakeholders, pati yung mga indigenous people natin. This will be our neutral ground. Salamat po sa mga naniwala at lalong-lalo na sa ating mahal na governor. At sa kanyang ama na siya namang magte-take over para tuloy-tuloy lahat ang ating mga gustong mga pinangarap. Sa mga kabataan ng Camp Abu Bakar As-Siddiq Elementary School, sinadya namin kayong invite para ma-witness nyo to, makita nyo, para paglaki nyo, maaalala nyo tong araw na to. Ito yung araw na hawak nyo yung mga bandera sa kamay nyo. At nasa mga utak at nasa mga puso nyo, yung pangarap, yung pag-asa. At ito lahat ang regalo namin sa inyo ng Philippine Marines. Maraming salamat po at welcome po sa ating groundbreaking ceremony.